Welcome to SKT Engineering YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you how to draw RCC inclined slab stairs. Open AutoCAD. First of all, set the units. Press UN, press Enter. Select the type to decimal and precision to 0.000. That is three values after the decimal point. Select the insertion scale to meters. Press OK. Select line, press L, press enter. First of all, close the grid mode. Specify your first point. Open the ortho mode. For ortho mode, press F8 or press this icon. Specify a distance of 0.3 meters. Press enter. Go upwards. Specify a distance of 1 meter. Press enter. Go leftward. Write 0.3 meters distance. Press enter. And then join it downward or write 1 and it will automatically be joined to the end point. Now zoom extend the whole figure. Press this icon or press Z, press enter, press E and press enter. Now a block has been drawn, a rectangular block. Select the rectangular block, right click, copy selection, select this point and join it to the end point. Draw 9 rectangles. Delete this line, select the line, press delete. Now press O+F for offset, press enter. Specify a distance of 1.1 meters, press enter. Select this line and drag it rightwards. Join these two lines. Now the plan view of the stair has been drawn. Press L for line, select the midpoint, drag it here, zoom in, press L for line, select this point, write 0.03, press enter, and 0.06, press enter, and join these lines. An arrow has been drawn. To hatch the arrow, press this icon, select solid, and hatch it. Select the arrow and drag it outwards. Now the stair plan view has been drawn. To number the stairs, press text, select the area, press 1, click outwards. Now you can set the orientation. Select the text, copy selection and paste it at different point. Change the values. Name the landing area. Select it. Right click, click on properties. We will reduce the size. Select the text height. Write 0.15. Click outward. Close the drag down menu. draw the cross section, select L, press enter, select this point, open the ortho mode, press F8, select this icon, it here. Similarly, press L, press enter, join it here. Press L, press enter. Hover your mouse over this point to get a reference point. Now, I want to tell you one thing, that the horizontal distance is known as thread, while the vertical distance is known as rise. So, for rise, press L, press enter, select the point. The rise distance should be 150 millimeter, that is 0.15 meter, press enter. And the thread distance should be 0.3 meter, that is 300 millimeter, press enter. Press escape to close the command. Select these lines. Right click, copy selection. Select a point. Turn off the ortho mode and join these to get the result fast. You can see that the steps have been drawn. Select this arrow. Right click, copy selection and paste it at any point. Now again select the arrow, drag this line, join it here, copy selection, rotate the arrow, press RO, press enter, press G for group, press enter. The height is known as rise, while the horizontal distance is known as thread. Now you can see this. Select L for line, select this point, write a distance of 0.15 meter and join it here. Similarly, again select line, press enter, turn off the ortho mode, select this point and join it here. Press escape to close the command. Select the line, press M for move, select the end point and drag it here. Now join the line. Give offset to this line, press O-F, press enter, specify the offset distance as 0.3 meters, that is the thickness of the wall, and join it here. Write L for line and close this. Write TR for trim, press enter, again press enter to select the whole area and trim these lines. Now you can see that our stairs cross section has been drawn. In order to hatch the cross section, that is the R.C.C slab, Click on hatch, click on the drop down menu. The hatching scale is very small. Click on the hatch, right click on properties, select the hatch scale, write 0.1, press enter, or write 0.05, press enter. Now our stairs have been hatched. In order to hatch the wall, again press hatch, click on drop down menu and select it. Again click on properties, reduce the scale to 0.5. Now our walls have been hatched. Name it, copy these text, copy the arrows, Control C, Control V for the here. Now select the arrow, press G to group it, press RO to rotate the arrow, O close the ortho mode. Similarly, name it as R.C.C slab. Rotate the arrow. Name it now. Our stairs have been drawn. If you have not subscribed our YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it now and press the bell icon to stay updated. Furthermore, we will upload other videos of standard stairs, so keep watching SKT Engineering YouTube channel. Thanks.